Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are learning about parts of speech. So first of all we learn nouns. Definition of a noun. A word or word group that is used to name a person, place, thing or an idea. Example: Mr. Pruitt, Texas, suitcase and freedom. There are two types of noun: common noun versus proper noun. Common noun definition. A common noun names any one of a group or person, places, things or ideas and is generally not capitalized. Example of common noun: book, school, marker, computer, phone and backpack. Proper noun definition. A proper noun names a particular person, place, thing or idea and is capitalized. Example: Hot Handbook, Nesbitt Discovery Academy, Mac computer, iPhone and Jet Sport backpack. Now take a round of pronoun. Definition of a pronoun: a word that is used in place of one or more nouns or pronouns. Example of pronouns: I, they, your, our, she, we, them, he, us, him, his, their, them and its. Now look at the examples of the pronoun. He is playing with the train. They are playing all together. Is she sleeping in her bed? There was a pronoun or personal pronoun. Definition of a personal pronoun. A personal pronoun refers to the one speaking is first person, the one spoken to is second person or the one being spoken to is third person. First person: I, me, my, mine, we, us, ours, our. Second person: you, yours, your. Third person: he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, its, they, them, their, theirs. Now take a round of their examples. They are playing jump rope. Look, I'm good at reading. You click the icon to open the game. Now discuss the two types of pronoun: demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is used to point our specific person, place, thing or idea. Example: this, that, these, those. Example: I think this is good enough. Now interrogative pronoun. So definition of interrogative pronoun. Early interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun introduce a question. Example: who, whom, which, what, whose. Example: who is in my class? Now the third part of speech: adjective. Definition of an adjective: a word that is used to modify a noun or pronoun. Example: green dye, transport, transparent, ghost, old man, haunted house. An adjective also contains shape, quantity, quality, color, origin. Now, see the types of adjective. Demonstrative adjective and article. Demonstrative adjective definition. A demonstrative adjective is an adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. Example: did Jennifer draw this one or that one? Let's take these sandwiches and those apple on our picnic. Now, there was a turn of articles. The definition of articles. An indefinite article is when they refer to a member of a group. Example: a girl won. The one-day sale is on Saturday. Verb definition. A verb that is used to express action or a state being. Example: testing, jumping, push, doing. Helping verb. Definition of helping verb. Helping verb help the main verb express action or a state of being. Example: can, do, has, might, should, and could. Examples of sentences. Please, can you cut the cake now? Hey, you should put the toys in the box. Now, it's time for adverb. Definition of adverb. A verb that modifies a verb, an adjective or adverb. Example: they're up, here, down, tomorrow, weekly, later, and early. The girl is going to her bike up the street. It is going to rain tomorrow and weekly from now on. Now it's time for preposition. Definition: a word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. Remember the song. Example: abroad, below, from, since, beyond, throughout, concerning, past, and without. This guy is from history. They are aboard the train. Now it's time for conjunction. Definition of conjunction: a word that join or word groups. Decide whether to stay or go. Coordination conjunction. There are two types of conjunction: coordination conjunction, correlative conjunction. Example of coordination conjunction: and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so. You are supposed to walk on the street or the sidewalk. Correlative conjunction. Examples: both, and, not only, but also, whether, or. Both Jim and Roberto were standing outside. Now, interjection. Definition or interjection: a word that expresses emotion. Definition: an interjection has no grammatical relation to the rest of the sentence. Example: crap, wow, yuck, yippee, oh, well, I am singing, yuck, this is nasty. So guys, if you like this video, so like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.